Hello everyone, my name is Shovel Time and welcome back to Sonic Adventure 2. Alright, how do I, there we go, okay. Let's continue this, because yeah, I think maybe we might finish, what the heck?
Who's there?
Finish the hero story.
What the
What the
ghost?
Yo! Don't be King Boo. Oh my god. I thought it was actually gonna be King Boo. Oh god, here we go. Okay. Oh my god. He's throwing fire. Oh, well, look at how Knuckles runs. I think it's so cool. Also, I'm guessing... What is this? Oh, he doesn't like the light. That makes sense. Now what? Okay, I don't hit that. Where'd he go? Oh, wait. Wait, where is he? Is that it? I'm guessing that's it. Come here, you idiot. Oh. Oh, did I mess up? Okay, well. Okay, got him. Okay, I see what we have to do. Okay, that's not that bad. What? Hey, yo. Hey, yo! Let me hit this guy. Got him. Okay. Come back here, you ripoff. That's not fair! Okay, yoink. Got him. Got him. Nice. Get out of here, bro. Go get him, Knuckle man. Get him. Bonk. One more. Don't leave that in. Holy crap. No! I'm angry. Alright, come on. This is taking 5 minutes. Don't climb onto the wall. Okay, actually, I'd rather you climb onto the wall than do that. Are you serious? The stupid camera! Ugh. Okay, come on, can we end it here? It's been 7 minutes. Get onto the wall. This time. Nope, stop. Not you, Knuckles. I'm gonna go around this side. Boink. Come here. Yes! Get screwed, you idiot! Destroyed. Gone. Yeah, true. That guy was annoying. Ugh, I didn't like him. I'm not saying he's a bad boss, I just like I didn't like the guy.
That was pretty rough.
We did
Oh, hey guys.
Let's go, Amy. Yeah.
Where the hell did you guys come from? Oh, hey.
Sonic.
Just leave it to me. This time.
Yo, the song in the background? Who? I am the Eggman. Oh, hell yeah. Yo, it's Cleopatra. I'm kidding. It's like Cleopatra, but really buff. Egg Golem. I actually guessed it right. I saw the G and I was like, uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, I get it. Okay. Wait, what? How did those not hit me? Oh, this reminds me of that one boss fight from Super Mario Galaxy 2. Ow. You know, the one with Bowser Jr.? Oh, wait. Oh. And we have this. And then we have this. And then this. This also reminds me of, unsurprisingly, that stupid sand level from Mario 64. 4. Shifting Sandland. Screw that level. I hate it. Yoink. Oh, shoot. No! Wait, I'm not dead? Oh, I am. Wait, it's really making me do 2 boss fights in a row? I wonder why. I don't think I've ever had to do that in a game. Unless it's Cuphead, which is literally just... No, wait. Boom! Awesome. So we have to hit him so many gosh darn times. Oh my lord. Uh-oh. We're fine. We're not fine. Oh no. No, man. Oh, I can just jump there. Okay. That's good. I think they're faster. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, I can do that. That's so... Okay. That makes me happier. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Are you just... Okay. Sure, buddy. If that's... what you'd like to... Oh, no. No! Okay. We're not dead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. One more. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're dead, buddy. That was pretty fun, actually. That was a good boss fight. Better than the last one, I think. Is that all you could... Is that all you could come up with? Rocky? Sonic... How did... Why is NASA there? He's gotta get on that plane. Or, the rocket. 2, 1, here we go. It sounded like he said shovel lift off. True though. Oh, get that dirty thing off the screen. This. Okay, we're gonna go talk to the death egg.
So this is the space colony where Eggman is hiding.
Whatever this is called.
Is everyone alright? We should be landing soon.
Uh-oh.
Hatch doors are open. Sweat it, Knuckles.
Are you serious?
In the cargo bay are those
What do you mean,
master
don't
emeralds,
sweat it?
right?
Land the shuttle and let me out.
They're all talking at the same time.
Oh no! Don't touch that lever!
Where did they go? Where did the emeralds go? Or the shards?
What's up with that knucklehead anyway? Trying to take over the shuttle. I thought we were toast for sure.
But
Where did he go now?
yeah, where'd Knuckles go?
Looks like he bailed.
What?
This place looks deserted. Dusty too.
Does it
This
though?
place was shut down about 50
Oh,
years ago
okay.
because of a terrible accident. The first Bernoulli spherical
I know
space
about the
colony
accident.
called
Like
Ark.
they killed Maria and they
It
made
was
a
the
big
most advanced
lizard
research center
and they
of
made
its
Shadow.
kind. But looking
I
at
think.
it now,
Now it's an abandoned ark, wouldn't you say?
I guess so.
Not much time left before Eggman fires that weapon again. We've got to hurry. Let's find the cannon and destroy it.
yeah,
What you got?
someone designed that weapon to be impenetrable from outside attacks. Its defense shields are super strong, so we have to find a way to destroy it from
Isn't
inside.
that a chaos emerald?
Yes,
It
good job,
looks
Amy.
like it, doesn't it? But in fact, it's a fake one I
Oh.
created after researching the real emerald.
Huh.
It has the same wavelength and properties, but it's less powerful than the real one. It's designed to reverse the energy field inside the
How did you
crystal
make
animals
that,
and blow up.
Tails?
It looks so real, even a machine can't tell the difference. I'll find the power supply and destroy it. Sonic, you find the
Yeah, because it looks real. The machine
We'll switch the chaos
won't be.
emeralds to
Yeah,
machine
that makes
cells,
sense.
Right?
Just because it looks that way. Yeah.
I hate you! You guys always leave me behind!
Aww.
Fun!
That's so sad. Eternal engine. Isn't it internal engine? Oh, I didn't mean to press that. Wait, Z. Right. Well, here we go. Okay. What the? Is that a bomb? Why are they dropping bombs on me? Here we go. Oh. Oh, we're legitimately platforming. Cool. Huh. Yoink. Off we go. Kill this idiot. Okay, don't. Now kill the idiot. Yoink. Yeah! What are you celebrating? Oh, right. The death of your enemies. Right. Oh, no! Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, that would suck you out, wouldn't it? Oh. Opening these doors reminds me of, like, Star Wars Episode 4, where Darth Vader just... It's such a cool moment when he just... Okay, let's go find it. It's so cool when he just walks through that door and just starts killing everybody. Oh no! Okay! That was the switch. It tried to bait me into... Yeah. Blow up the bridge. Why would I do that while I was on the bridge? Why would I do that? What? Excuse me? That was so cheap, dude! Yeah, okay. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I think. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, there you go. I see. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Why would... Oh my gosh. That was pretty terrifying, honestly. Okay. Oh. Yep, there we go. Parkour. I'm right behind you, Andy. Oh, it's chaos. Oh my god, it actually is chaos. I was joking. Oh no. Kill him. Are you serious? This is a little bit unfair, I think. Okay. Do it. You can't keep retreating. That's not fair. No, okay, I actually don't want to deal with him. Or these mimics. Okay, don't suck me in. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, dude. Uh-oh. 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 I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I have to restart! Oh, dude. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, my God. No! Oh. Oh, my Lord. We actually made it past. Where's the end of this stupid level? Where is it? Kill. I swear if the chaos things show up again. So, oh my gosh. What? How am I sucking so much? Like, it's like I suck so I need a straw to suck this much. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay. Yes, everybody just leave. Everybody go away. Oh. Okay. Okay, these guys are scaring me. Just spam the button. Just spam the button. There's space is below us. Bro, this music sounds like Splatoon music. Listen to it. Also, kill that guy. That's a... Why did I... Don't, I swear to God. Don't you dare hit me. I will kill you. Kill them. I'm not shooting that. No. Holy crap, dude. Where's the end of the level? I hate these rooms. I hate these rooms. Just go. It's not... Okay, that's good. I like that I have that. Oh, excuse me? There's something there. Oh, the camera... Stop it. Oh my God. It's going up. That entire thing terrified me. Yes, I got a life. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm just so... Where do I go? The bazooka. The bazooka. Okay. Okay, look, guys. I know these guys are behind me, and they're gonna, like, kill me, but you guys, like, listen. Hear me out. How about, uh-oh, you don't. How about you stop shooting at me? What the heck? Don't hit me again. Oh, he's a big man. Kill him. That was annoying. What? Are you serious? Grab that, Tails. Yes. Good job, man. Grab that one. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Up here. And, Eternal Engine, more like Eternal Pain. My gosh, this is stupid. No, dude, what? That's the end of the level. Wha Excuse me? We're floating. We're floating. I'm spamming the button. No, please. Please. I don't have any rings. I don't have a single ring. Kill this guy. No, they're here to end me. Let me in. Let me in. No, please. No, 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 no. I still have rings. I still have rings. Kill this guy. Kill that guy. Oh. Leap of faith. Here we go. Oh, we're playing Tears of the Kingdom. Oh, no, wait. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, he has a nice circle. That's kind of cool, actually. Oh, no. What the hop? Okay. Okay, good, Sonic. I'm so stressed right now. I'm so scared. I do have 2 lives, but, like, still. I have 1 ring. I think I died before that because of my power or whatever. This is the grand finale of the That's so not fair! Back again. Okay, so... Oh, wait. It's... Oh, I'm so dumb. It's holding my legs in place, so I'm not gonna move. Okay. So I can just shoot in any direction I want. That's pretty cool. That's out. That's out as well. These can leave. There we go. Can this platform raise up just a little bit? Okay, I guess not. Yoink. Here. Oh, I hated that. I already said it. But Eternal Engine, more like eternal suffering, eternal pain, eternal other oh, whatever. I don't care. I'm not doing that again. Other names, other synonyms for awfulness.
Okay, Sonic. Now put that emerald.
Tails, tell Sonic to meet you back at the research facility.
Sonic, Amy is.
What?
I didn't get that, Tails. What happened there?
You didn't hear Eggman? He's literally on the line. What? What the heck was that cutscene? Meteor herd. Yeah, where did Knuckles go? 3 pieces of the Master Emerald. Well, at least it's the Emerald now and not stupid keys. The last level is annoying. First for Knuckles. Okay, well, let's go find number 1.
It's closer, more left.
What? I have no idea where that came from. I have no idea. Was it in front of me? I have no idea. If it was, then I wasn't paying attention. Clearly. Number 2. Finally, after such an insanely long time. But look at the time. Look at the time right now and go back and see what it was. Ugh. I've got up here after falling over and over again. Where is this?
It's closer.
Oh, wait. Oh, is this it? Is it in here? You don't, oh. What? Oh. Oh, it's right there. Got it. 1 more left. Let's go. Man. Ooh, I haven't shown it. I've cut it all out, but this stage is getting me pretty turned. Pretty tilted. I did because the meteors are focusing on me. They're targeting me, and I don't think that's very fair. So let's go find that 3rd one. Where? How? How is it here? How? This? Oh my gosh. I had to dig into the side of it. Oh, it took me so long. I thought there was something I needed to like.
Have to try harder.
Shut up. I'll like unlock to do that. Oh no, dude. Oh. Okay, now what? Oh, hey Rouge. What's up?
Long time no see, treasure hunter. Did you find my emerald?
Shut up. It's literally not yours. I like Rouge, by the way. Don't think I hate her. Rouge.
If that's how you want to play, I will take it from you.
Oh, I have to fight her. Wait. Did it say her? I already knew her name, right? Because I'm a Sonic fan. But like, did it? Oh my God, she's terrifying. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. What is going on? Did the game say that her name was Rouge before this? What's going on? Where did she go? I can't go down. Right? I didn't. Do I have to climb up here? Oh, there she is. Oh my gosh. Stop. I'm kind of confused. Okay. Why are we fighting on beams? Kill her. Kill. we're both goofy. We're just flying into the air. Where'd she go? Oh, Rouge. Seriously, where'd she go? She's down. Wait. Yo, what's up? I'm just gonna run at her and then just spam it. Kill her. Did she hit me? Hit her. Did I? No, I didn't hit her. Oh, she kicks. Kill her, like dust her. From Mother 3. Why am I bringing that up? I like that game. Did I hit her? I did not. Is she like Shadow where she has to like land and then I boom, like that? Yes, she is. What did you say? Stop it. I'm retreating. Oh, well. Here you come. What? What? Why can you? No, don't do it again. Don't do it again. That was. How could? Stop. She. What? Oh, I can like avoid it. Okay, that's cool. Stop. Stop. Get ready. I'm ready. Oh, I almost got you. Stop that. Hit her. Kill her. Kill! Kill her. Where is she?
It's over.
Oh. Come here. Fight me like a woman. Come here. Yo, I hit her. Let's go. Don't do it again, dude. Alright, I need to hit her one more time. Oh, yeah? Kill her. Yo, she was just... Yes, I killed her! I murdered her! Let's go! Destroyed. And I know she falls. But then he saves her, because he's a nice guy. Nice. Okay, I like both of you, but it is Knuckles. You attacked me. She does have wings though.
What in the world?
You have wings. You both can fly. Both of you.
Keep your hands to yourself. Don't touch me.
Is that how you say thanks to someone who just saved your life?
Why does he sound like Han Solo?
Don't think I owe you one. You just wanted to hold my hand, didn't you? That's why you saved me. You're such a creep.
This isn't a joke.
Shut up.
Think what you want, Batgirl. I was saving the Master Emerald.
No matter what you say, it sounds crazy.
Not really. Weed.
Fine, then Then just take them. They stink like echidnas do.
If that's what you thought, you should have given me them in the first place.
I like the chemistry, honestly.
Finally.
What?
This is my favorite version of Knuckles.
Sorry if I hurt you.
Aww. Bye.
We should get going.
We? Who's we? Who are you talking to? Shadow? I know you're friends with that guy. Hello there. It's editing shovel time in the future. I've noticed I've just finished the video. It's gotten too long, so I'm gonna split into two, and the second video will be posted tomorrow. So, I'll see you then. To be continued.